Someone sent me this really great pedal assembly for a 64 Ranchero, and it fits rusty. But that's not what we're working on. Hey YouTube, we got mail. Let's open it up. This comes courtesy of, oh gosh, Adam of Norfolk, Connecticut. Thank you very, very much, sir. Looks like there's some assembly required, but Adam had a set of pedals off of a 64 that he has graciously donated to our cause. Oh, sorry about having to disassemble the pedal assembly. It was the only way I could get it into a flat rate box. I hope it works for you. Good luck. Signed, Adam. Adam, I don't mind it at all. Adam, I appreciate this so much you have no idea. However, what are we doing today? Well, we're not working on the pedal assembly just yet. No, this is great. This will make life so much easier to modify this to fit with the other Mazda parts. So, you know, to get our firewall and stuff back together. That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I thank you very much. What are we working on today? Well, we did just get the inner fenders, that little section cut and cleaned and all that kind of stuff, tidied up where we did the hack job on that. I think I want to take a look at that front area where the battery used to be, and I think I want to take a look at maybe building something to go in that spot and replace all that rotten material. So let's get started. All right, so in the last video, we patched the inner fenders, we cleaned up the cuts and got rid of the ragged edges and stuff like that, and we made these little panels that fit here, and overall I'm satisfied with them. They look great. They'll clean up, and we'll put some, you know, there's more welding to be done, and then we'll put some seam sealer on it, you know, some sort of like a caulk or something of some sort to clean them up. But this area right here is where the battery used to sit, and we need to rebuild this somehow. I don't know if the battery is going to go back there. I really don't know yet. One of the problems, we may have to figure a way to put the air cleaner there, because where the air cleaner wants to line up right now, it's not going. It wants to put it right there. I don't know exactly what we're going to do. We'll probably end up having to replace all this intake material here with something completely different, and just mount this anywhere we can. But it may end up down there. I don't know what we'll do, but no matter what we do, we got to replace all that. So I'm just not sure what to do here. Well, I think that's going to have to be it for the night. It's getting late, it's getting dark, and in order for me to finish getting this all, see there's a big gap in here. This is it, well you can't see it. Anyway, there's a big gap there. Yeah, in order for me to close that gap and get everything lined up, I'd have to pick the body up again, and it's getting kind of late. And I'm satisfied. We got our little panel built, and it's doing its job. It's holding the radiator support now, because the radiator support used to be a little bit flexy there. Now it doesn't flex. It's nice and solid and rigid. And we're one step closer to a more solid and less rusty. So, yeah, that's where I'm leaving it for tonight. So again, as always, if you're liking this series, my video a day is wearing me out. But if you're liking it, give it the thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share the videos, find other people that might be interested in it. I will probably be working on Rusty tomorrow. I don't know what my schedule is tomorrow, but I want to get started on this pedal assembly, and yeah, I'm really excited about getting this pedal assembly straightened out, because that way, that gets it closer to mechanically integrated so that we can actually drive Rusty. Because until we figure out how to do that, I'm just making a sculpture. So, until next time, bye.